Welcome to our roundup of the best camping gadgets for outdoor lovers who want smarter, safer, and more comfortable adventures. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip, a long hiking journey, or simply preparing an emergency outdoor kit, having the right camping gear can completely transform your experience. From portable cooking tools and reliable water filtration systems to compact lighting and survival essentials, today's gadgets are designed to make outdoor life easier than ever. In this video, we're counting down 5 impressive camping gadgets that combine portability, convenience, durability, and practical performance. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and product links. Now, let's get started. The first on the list is the Play Taylor Picnic Table Cover, waterproof design, elastic fit, portable storage. If you enjoy camping trips with family or friends, then you already know how messy outdoor picnic tables can get. Dirt, moisture, food stains, and rough surfaces often ruin the comfort of outdoor dining. That's where the Play Taylor table cover becomes a surprisingly useful camping companion. Designed with convenience and protection in mind, this table cover instantly transforms old campground tables into clean and comfortable dining spaces. One of the standout features is its durable, waterproof material. Whether you are dealing with spilled drinks, morning dew, or unexpected rain, the surface stays easy to clean and highly resistant to moisture. Instead of worrying about soaking through or damaging the table underneath, campers can simply wipe it clean within seconds. This makes it perfect for outdoor meals, board games, cooking prep, or even organizing camping gear. The elastic edge design is another major advantage. Unlike traditional tablecloths that constantly slide around or blow away in the wind, this cover stays firmly in place once installed. Overall, the Play Taylor table cover is one of those simple camping gadgets that solves an everyday outdoor problem extremely well. Next up is the Coghlan's Camp Stove. Compact folding design, solid fuel compatibility, lightweight construction. When it comes to camping, cooking gear often becomes one of the heaviest and bulkiest parts of your backpack. That's exactly why the Coghlan's portable folding camp stove remains such a popular choice among campers, hikers, and survival enthusiasts. Its simple design focuses on portability and functionality while still delivering reliable cooking performance in outdoor conditions. The first thing most campers notice is just how compact this stove becomes when folded. It packs down into a flat shape that easily slides into backpacks, emergency kits, or storage bags without taking up valuable space. For lightweight campers or backpackers trying to minimize gear weight, this can be a major advantage. Even if you're traveling long distances on foot, carrying this stove feels effortless. Despite its small size, the stove is surprisingly sturdy once opened. The metal construction provides solid support for small pots, pans, and camping cookware. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, preparing instant meals, or heating soup during cold nights outdoors, the stove handles basic cooking tasks reliably. One of its best features is compatibility with solid fuel tablets. This eliminates the need for carrying heavy gas canisters or propane tanks during short camping trips. Solid fuel is easy to store, lightweight, and convenient for emergency preparedness. Still, considering its affordable price, portability, and reliability, the Coghlan's Camp Stove is a fantastic camping gadget for campers who value simplicity and lightweight performance. Next up, we have the Collapsible LED Lantern. Collapsible body, bright LED lighting, battery-efficient performance. Every experienced camper knows that dependable lighting can completely change your outdoor experience once the sun goes down. Whether you're navigating a dark trail, organizing gear inside a tent, or preparing food at night, reliable illumination becomes essential. That's exactly where the Collapsible Portable LED Camping Lantern shines. This lantern is designed to maximize both convenience and brightness while remaining incredibly compact. Its collapsible design allows it to shrink down into a smaller size for easy storage when not in use. This makes it ideal for campers trying to save space inside backpacks or emergency kits. Once expanded, the lantern instantly provides bright 360-degree lighting capable of illuminating tents, picnic tables, or entire campsite areas. The LED lighting itself is one of the biggest highlights. Compared to traditional lanterns, LEDs consume far less power while producing impressive brightness. This means campers can enjoy extended runtime without constantly replacing batteries. During long camping trips or emergency situations, that efficiency becomes extremely valuable. Overall, the collapsible LED lantern is a dependable and highly practical camping gadget that balances brightness, portability, and battery efficiency extremely well. For campers who want lightweight lighting without sacrificing convenience, this lantern is an easy recommendation. Next up is the Supris electric lighter, windproof arc technology, USB rechargeable battery, safety lock design. Starting a fire outdoors can sometimes become frustrating, especially when dealing with wind, moisture, or low-quality disposable lighters. The Supris electric lighter offers a much smarter and more reliable solution for campers who want quick ignition without the usual hassle. Unlike traditional flame lighters, this gadget uses electric arc technology to create a powerful windproof ignition source. That means even during windy camping conditions, users can still light stoves, candles, fire starters, or campfires with ease. For outdoor enthusiasts, this feature alone makes a huge difference compared to regular butane lighters. The rechargeable battery system is another major advantage. Instead of constantly purchasing disposable lighters or refilling fuel, users can simply recharge the lighter using a USB cable. This makes it both eco-friendly and cost-effective over time. A single charge typically lasts through multiple camping trips, depending on usage. Its slim and lightweight design also makes portability excellent. The lighter fits comfortably into pockets, backpacks, emergency kits, or camping organizers without taking up much space. Campers who value compact gear will definitely appreciate how travel-friendly it feels. Even with those small drawbacks, the Supris electric lighter stands out as one of the most useful modern camping gadgets for fire starting. The last one on our list is the LifeStraw Water Filter. Advanced filtration system, ultra-portable design, emergency survival essential. Clean drinking water is one of the most important needs during any camping or survival situation, and that is exactly why the LifeStraw personal water filter has become one of the most trusted outdoor gadgets worldwide. This small device may look simple, but its performance can literally become life-saving in emergency conditions. The biggest advantage of the LifeStraw is its powerful filtration system. It's designed to remove harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from contaminated water sources, allowing campers to safely drink from streams, lakes, rivers, and other natural water supplies. So that's it for the best camping gadgets that can make your outdoor adventures safer, easier, and far more enjoyable. Whether you need reliable lighting, portable cooking, cleaner water, or simple campsite convenience, these gadgets offer practical solutions that every camper can appreciate. If this video helped you discover your next camping essential, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful gear roundups and outdoor guides. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay prepared and keep exploring.